Hello, it's Bekah, and welcome to the Carriage House, a place where you can find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. I'm in our dining room on this beautiful late spring afternoon, and I've seemed to be strangely drawn to our old blue vintage hutch lately, so just wanting to take a little time to explore it, cleanse and connect with it. It seems to have sadly become forgotten in our little farmhouse over the years. Precious memories were made when my husband and children bought the old hutch at a little antique store in a beautiful Amish town on a sunny spring afternoon, kind of like the one today. And I know that it holds precious memories inside as well. And it's been a while since I've opened these old, mysterious doors, so I'm wanting to take the time to explore everything that's inside it, clean it, tidy it up, maybe decorate it a little, and just bring it back to life once again. So after I cleansed and lit our little glass lantern that my husband and I bought in a little town in Gunquit, Maine, before we were married, I discovered our beautiful china that we were given to on the night of our marriage. I felt that simply cleaning all these little treasures, so to speak, have brought the past alive again, at least the good memories, the ones that we should hold on to and treasure with our hearts. I try not to keep anything at home that may stir up anxiety or stress or unpleasant memories, but overall keepsakes can be wonderful touchstones from which we can gain great solace and pleasure and strength from. So after I cleaned the china and the hutch, I decided to decorate the top shelf. If I had little stands, I would have stood the china up to display, but I didn't, so I'll probably end up stacking the china on the bottom shelf. But I have these 3 little eggshell holders that I bought in the spring, and I thought they would look so pretty and just simple in the hutch, especially against that beautiful, bold turquoise color of the hutch that always reminds me of the sea every time I look at it. And I just set them on top of our white cake stand, which this hutch ended up being a great place to store the stand as well. And then going to put the little house and lantern in here, place everything back into the hutch, and then we'll move on to see what's behind the mysterious bottom doors of the hutch. So behind these doors are my most cherished and beloved cookbooks that I've collected over many, many years. There's a few that are my husband's too. But I love cuisines of all kinds, so there's quite a bit of assortment in here. But as soon as I sat down, I knew I wanted to take some time and look through these books that I haven't done in quite some time now. I knew it was getting late, so I decided to go ahead and take all the books out and clean the hutch first before just getting cozy while reading and just flipping through the old pages, taking a little tour through all of the appetizing photographs, and just simply be captured in the moment.